Alright guys, next step is wing rib 6 assembly. We're going to start by taking rib 6 and dimpling the bottom as well as angle 15 here. On that we're going to dimple the 3.2 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and get started with the dimple. All right, now we'll go ahead and cleco and rivet all the parts together. All right, guys, ran into a problem here. I'm gonna put the rivet in. It doesn't go all the way flat. And if you flip it over, you can see it underneath the metal. So, trying to figure out what to do here. Maybe I'll drill out a couple like holes like this so that the rivet can expand. I'll go ahead and do that. All right, guys, back with you. As you saw, I cut out 2 notches here and here, deburred them, painted them. So first I drilled and then cut the corners off with a little Dremel tool and then deburred it and then sprayed it again with paint. And then same thing up here with these 2. So now there'll be enough room for that rivet to slide in, get flush with the metal before I pull it. So now I can get back to that step. All right.